Hey everybody, this is Linda Martin from paradiseproperties.net. I'm born in the Bluegrass and I'm CEO and founder of paradiseproperties.net. I've been an active real estate investor since 1987. I started in the restaurant space in '83. I've also worked as a bilingual business court mediator for 7 years. I'm experienced in mostly commercial, but residential real estate also, including joint venture development projects, self-storage, assisted living, retail, and office. We're based in Orange County, and we focus on buying and selling non-performing notes for our own portfolio. We source directly from banks, hedge funds, and private sources. We buy distressed debt at big discounts, always under 70%, and that way we become the bank. We prefer underwater assets that are owner-occupied. Our primary and secondary markets are Ohio, Michigan, the Carolinas, Florida, Indiana, Missouri, Illinois, and Utah. Most of the residential assets are $50,000 to $250,000 as is, and most of the commercial assets are $250,000 to $2 million and above. Our number one goal is to modify and reinstate the loan and keep the borrower in the property where possible. We have a great team of professionals and vendors, many years of experience, including attorneys, insurance, title companies, and servicing companies to board our loans. We are not a wholesaler. We don't fix and flip. We're not a landlord, although I did that many years. We're not a broker. We're always trying to buy for our own portfolio, and we help the borrowers stay in their property if at all possible. There are many reasons why a loan does not perform. We've got the economic impact of COVID, a shortage of housing, negative equity, subprime mortgages with rising interest rates, and they're only going to get higher, and the 5 dreaded D's of death, divorce, drugs, disease, and denial. We avoid long foreclosure markets. We preferred occupied assets with a payment history, and this is true in about half of our assets. And about a quarter we offer cash for keys, and then if they cannot or they will not pay, we treat it as a foreclosure and as an REO and price it to sell. We do reperforming notes. We do REOs. We do commercial assets, including apartments, medical offices, and self-storages. Here's a case study of a Houston deed in lieu or REO. It's a single family with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,000 square feet. It has a fair market value of $200,000. The payoff is over $230,000. The borrower is deceased. The heirs will either sign it over to us as a deed in lieu, or we will foreclose in 90 days. There is a fast foreclosure in Texas. The rent rate there is $1,800 a month. We are buying the note at $109,000. There's $2,000 in back taxes owed. It needs about $25,000 in work, and we'll first try to sell it at the foreclosure auction at $180,000 and not have to do the rehab, because as is assets are selling now at 90% at auction. $180,000 to $111,000, the note purchase plus the back taxes, equals $69,000 in gross profits. We will probably see around $60,000 in profits after the foreclosure cost. If it does not sell at auction, we will rehab it and sell it around $250,000 on the MLS with its new rehab. And here's a single family in Detroit. An REO, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. There's 1,300 square feet. The rent rate there is about $750 a month. The fair market value is $60,000. The borrower owes $40,000. The purchase price is $15,000. The principal and interest monthly payment is $275 a month. We will sell it as an REO around $50,000. The profit will be $27,000, giving an ROI of 22%. And here's a little duplex in South Carolina. The borrower has not paid in 3 years. The property's worth $80,000 and the payoff's around $40,000. It rents there for $1,000 a month. That's $500 each side. The monthly principal and interest payment is $340 a month. It was purchased at $13,000, and with the new servicer, we made right party contact in 7 days. The borrower brought $2,500 to the table, plus is paying $540 a month payment, which is an additional $200 a month. So the first year ROI will be 65%, and the second year will be 25%. We do buy one-offs, but most of our assets come from loan portfolios and pools. We always have the number one goal to rehab the borrower. We only buy first liens. We only buy below market, below 70% or less. Our vendors review our files and title. Our vendors legally handle the servicing and foreclosures. And we always place insurance on the assets. So let's talk. We can talk about your goals and your expectations. Everyone is not always a fit. We do vet our partners. And you can shoot me an email at linda@paradiseproperties.net or call me at 858-625-1111, 858-625-1111. I look forward to meeting you.